Turn it off. Turn it on. Let's try the color mode. Ooh. Turn off the light, Shiloh. Ooh, nice. Color mode. Wow. Galaxy.
It's different. Wow.
Turn the stars on. Wow.
Rainbow. Rainbow. I like the rainbow one. Rainbow. Where's the rainbow one?
Wow.
Blue is green. Take a picture
Oh,
of me.
star.
Stars.
I can't see the... What is this?
It's so cool.
Why is the turn off? Oh, without the stars? Oh, that one is changing.
That one and that rainbow. Yeah, that one looks nice. Green and blue looks best. Oh, that's rainbow.
What does it say here? Turn off. Oh, turn it on.
La 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 la. It's so cool. I love it.
Now you got stars in the night.
Yeah, it looks like I'm in outer space in the night.
Oh, that one is nice. Subtle. It's like Aurora Borealis. You like that? Okay, let's turn the light on so I can see the functions. So what does it say here? Brightness, color mode, stars mode. And let's set the timer to 2 hours. Alright, let's turn it off again. Whoa. Without the stars. Girls without the stars or with the stars?
With the stars.
Whoa. Whoa, without the Aurora Borealis. Oh, what happened there?
You're sparkling.
Oh, are they moving?
You have. No, if you do that.
That's kind of busy. Is that good?
Yeah. Oh, it goes over there too. I want a rainbow.
That one's better.
Blue looks the best because.
Oh, well, you could stop it, like just like that. You want to stop it, just like that?
Make it like swirl around.
I'm gonna make you dizzy.
But it's like a big world.
Oh, that one is also different colors. Is that good? You want to remove the stars?
No.
All right. Okay, girls. Good night. You have a light. I'm not gonna be scared anymore. Night, night. Say good night. Bye. Okay, lie down.